Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Tiara Amanda and I am from 6th semester of English Education Department of University Muslim Nusantara. Today, I would like to presentation my proposal. It's about improving English music on student vocabulary mastery as senior high school of Mansatu Deli Serdang. In this proposal, there are 3 chapters. In chapter 1 is introduction, and then the chapter 2 is theoretical review, and then the third chapter or the last chapter is research methodology. And then in chapter 1, there are background of problem. This is telling how to be able to communicate both in oral or written. Vocabulary is one of scenes to be master of vocabulary, the way to communicate such as linguistic competence, sociocultural competence, discourse competence, and functional competence. In other, the student can be produce many sentences in written or spoken form. The student also could be able to pronounce the vocabulary correctly. Because the vocabulary mastery of the student at Mansatu Deli Serdang is still low. So, one of the methods that can be used to solve this problem is by using song. By using song in teaching English is hope that students will learn joyfully, enjoy, and interest in learning English, especially in mastering the vocabularies. Of course, it will help the learning purpose reach optimally. Okay, and then the second is identification of the problem. It can be defined the problem related to this research is one is the student is slow in memorizing vocabulary, and then the second is the student often seem difficult to understand English text to make English sentences because they have limited vocabulary, and then the third is the student motivation is less in English vocabulary. And then the third is limitation of the problem. Based on identification of the problem above, the researcher only limit the problem on improving student vocabulary mastery by using English song in Mansatu Deli Serdang. Okay, then is fourth, formulation of the problem. On the background of the study, problem in this study are formulated are one is how the improvement of the student vocabulary mastery to by using English song. 2. How can the English song to improve the student vocabulary mastery? Okay, 5 is the objective of the study. The objective of the study are first is to know the improvement of the student vocabulary after using English song at Mansatu Deli Serdang. 2. To describe the process to improve the vocabulary mastery by using song at Mansatu Deli Serdang. And the last is the 6. In this chapter 1 is significance of the study. The result of this research are expected to be useful theoretically and practically. Theoretically, this research is to enrich the theory of teaching English vocabulary. Okay guys, now we are entered to chapter 2. In chapter 2, vocabulary is the most important component language because it affects the 4 language skill. They are listening, reading, writing, and the last is speaking. Related in the importance of vocabulary learning is central to language acquisition, whether the language first, second, or foreigner. Generally, vocabulary is knowledge of meaning of word. As we know that learning language cannot be separated from learning vocabulary because vocabulary can be support the speaker to express their opinion, idea, and feeling in communication. And the last chapter is chapter 3 or research methodology. Include some definition. First is research setting. Research setting will telling others that include amount of all the student. Example, how many female and male are there, and also the reason why I chosen this location for my thesis. And then second is data and data source. In this research, the data was collected by using qualitative and quantitative data. The qualitative data was analyzed from observation, photograph, interview, lesson plan, and test. And the quantitative data in this research is the student score of forming several words. And then the third is research method. This research intends to reveal and effort to improve the learning process by using English song at 10th grade student of MAN 1 Deli Serdang. And then the use of classroom action research considered the relevant in this research. 4 is technique of collection data. The technique of data collection will be used by research era qualitative and quantitative data by test, observation, interview, and documentation. And the next is 5 is technique of the analyzing data. First is data reduction, second is data display, and the third conclusion, drawing, and verification. And the last is number 6 of this chapter is truthworthiness. The truthworthiness consists of the following components are credibility, transferability, dependability, and the confirmability. Okay guys, this is my presentation about my proposal. Thank you so much and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.